Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to create automatic KMIs using AWS Backup Service and SNS notification for the AWS Backup. Here I am prepared a document for reference. I followed these steps to achieve that. Here I am already created a testing server. You can take any OS, there is no problem on that. And go to the AWS Backup, click on dashboard. Here backup plan and on-demand backup and frameworks is there. Before creating backup, we create a backup vault. Here by default AWS provides a default backup vault. Create a backup vault name. If you have a KMS, you can use or else leave it as default. And create a backup vault. Here we created a backup vault. Now we will create a backup plans. For click on backup plans. Create a backup plan. Here click on build a new plan. Give a backup plan name. And backup rule. Daily backup. And select the backup vault which was we created previously, my backup vault. And here AWS provides a list of options, and I want to create based on hourly based, and I want to select hourly and custom backup window. Now the time was 3:37 p.m. AWS takes UTC time, so we want to convert IST to UTC. 3:40 p.m. to IST to UTC. Now the UTC time was 10:10 a.m. and 10, select 10 a.m. and I want to start my backup within 1 hour and complete within 1 hour, 2 hours. I don't want to move my backup to cold storage, and I want to select retention period. After 1 day it will be, the backup automatically deletes, and I don't want to move my backup to another region, so leave it as default and create a plan and give a resource name. I am giving my server name. For identification purpose it is easy. And leave it as default and select a resource. Here I want to take backup for EC2. Here I want to take backup for EC2 and EC2 instances, my server, testing server. If you want to take backup for tag based, you can select key, value and condition for value. assign resources, resource assignment created, backup rules created, and backup plan also created. Now we want to create a SNS notification for this backup vault. Cell SNS, and we need to create a topic, create topic and standard name for topic. Same name in display also, and leave it as default. Create topic. Wait, here I'm missing space. AWS did not agree space, so create topic. We need to create a subscription. Create subscription, and I want email, and I'm giving my email address here. And AWS sends a confirmation notification to that email address, and please confirm that notification. Now refresh the page. Yeah, now its status was confirmed. Once I will check my access policy. Here we finished first step, second step. Go to the access policy. Here we need to change this access policy according to our work. Go to Word document and copy this. Copy and paste it in access policy. And copy the URL of SNS topic and paste it in access policy. And save changes. That's it. And now we will need a AWS CLI. For that purpose I am creating a IAM. Click on IAM, add user. Here now I am creating a username, and selecting access key. Next, attach. Here I am giving administration access. You can give SNS full access. And download and open CMD. AWS configure. Now already existing keys is there, but that file is not available, so I am going to reconfigure AWS keys. Access key, secret key, My region is AP South, Mumbai. Fine. And leave it as default. Enter. Yeah. And go to the document, created user and CLI. Now we will paste the commands into the CLI. Don't worry, I will paste these commands into the my description. You can take it there. Copying. And change the my vault name. I am going to change my vault name. My vault name was my backup vault, and I am going to change the SNS topic also. I am giving jobs. I am giving backup events as backup job completed and restore job completed. We have a multiple jobs here, but I will give only 2 jobs there. Based on your requirement, you can go ahead. Enter. Once we will see what are the jobs included. For that we need to paste this command into the command line. Ensure that change the backup vault name. Yes. Enter. Yeah, now we can see we have a 2 events, backup job completed and restore job completed. If you want to add 2 more events, copy these events. That's it. Now we will again check. Yes. Now we will add one more event. Based on these events, we get a notification. If our backup job is completed, then we will get a notification. Now we will check any recovery point was created in AWS Backup Vault or not. Yeah, one recovery point was created. Go to the AMIs. Yes, AWS Backups create a one AMI.
I got a email notification from AWS after successful AMI creation. That's all. Thank you all.